Back in 1978, a widowed railroad worker from Kansas, let's call him Earl, had a routine that would surprise most people today. For over a decade, he ate ground beef nearly every night. To outsiders, it looked like loneliness or hardship. But to his doctor, Earl was one of the healthiest men in his 70s. What people misunderstood was this. These meals weren't about convenience. They were about survival, independence, and dignity. Across America, thousands of older men, widowers, retirees, veterans relied on simple, affordable meals built around one ingredient: ground beef. Cheap, versatile, and filling, it became the backbone of their kitchens when life got quiet. Some of these meals cost just a few dollars and lasted days. Others were passed down quietly, never written in cookbooks, but remembered through repetition. Take a basic hamburger and rice skillet. Nothing fancy, just brown beef, rice, broth, and maybe a chopped onion. Let simmer long enough, and the rice absorbs every bit of flavor. One pan could last 3 days, and somehow it tasted even better the next morning when reheated. Or consider beef with cabbage. Two of the cheapest ingredients available, cooked slowly until soft and rich. No complicated prep. No expensive tools. Just patience and a single pan. Then there was the shortcut comfort meal. A simple beef mixture stirred with canned soup and poured over noodles. It wasn't gourmet, but it was warm, filling, and familiar. The kind of meal that didn't require skill, just memory. Then there was the shortcut comfort meal. A simple beef mixture stirred with canned soup and poured over noodles. It wasn't gourmet, but it was warm, filling, and familiar. The kind of meal that didn't require skill, just memory. And that's the pattern you start to notice. These meals weren't designed by chefs. They were built by necessity, by men who didn't grow up cooking, but learned because they had to. Every recipe had a purpose. Minimal effort, low cost, multiple servings, almost no cleanup. And the deeper we go into this list, the more surprising and emotional these meals become. But the next few meals aren't just about saving money. They reveal something unexpected about how these men stayed independent for decades.